everybody, welcome to Yanui Beach. This is the one of the tiny beach here in Phuket, Thailand. Look at this. It's tiny but it's popular. So many people here swimming, resting, relaxing by the beach, and kids. Well, we have nice sand, and look at this popular beach. We'll go there. Yeah, I will go there. Let us. Okay. So this is Yanui Beach. It's popular. Many people come here do kayaking, swimming. This is next to.
Like the umbrellas.
This is next to the Cape.
Yeah.
What's the name? This is next
Promthep
to
Cape.
Promthep Cape. We've been there. And look at their umbrella. They have beautiful umbrella. It's colorful. And oh my gosh, it's crowded. Very crowded.
No waves.
Yeah, it's good here because no waves, and there are many mountains block the beach, the ocean. That's why there is no wave. So we are showing you this because after Rawai Beach, this is the next beach. Okay, so now we will go to the rocks. Yeah. Small island, but it's popular. Because this beach is clean, and it's a nice spot for every tourist to come here to take pictures, mesmerizing the view. Yeah. Okay, we will go up there. We will show you the best view. See, they have clear water. It's really good for swimming. Just wait. So they have sharp rocks here.
And it took not more than 5 days. It was perfect, yeah.
Look, they are doing snorkeling here. See? Wow. There are many rocks here, and the rocks is sharp. And aside from that, it is easy to do snorkeling here, to swim, because there is no waves. The water is flat and nice, it's clear. come here. Come. Okay. It's nice here. Wow. Perfect. Wow, did you see that, everyone? This is Yanui Beach. And over there, we've been there. You can see the view down here in Promthep Cape. Promthep Cape. Wow. Very nice. It's formed like V. It forms like V. V. So clear. It's so clear. You can do snorkeling here. And look at that beautiful umbrella. See, they are doing kayaking. Oh, they go there, so you can also go there. Wow, very nice. Looks like okay, wait, I'm gonna throw you in these rocks. Many rocks. It's nice here to swim. Oh my gosh. Ay! Crabs, hello, hello darling. Look at these beautiful crabs. He's scared. Okay, so here, did you see that? Wow, so many crabs here. Wow, there are many crabs here. Don't forget, this is Yanui Beach, and this is one of the most beautiful beach, and clear water, nice view, and popular. It's a tiny beach, but it's popular. Okay, let's go here on the other side. That's why many tourists come here, because of the popular and nice place. the sun is there, so it's not that nice. So this is the beach. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in our next video. Bye.